In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the delivery address on your Wayfair orders. Whether you've moved to a new location or simply need to update the address for a recently placed order, I've got you covered with these simple steps. So let's dive right in and make sure your Wayfair goods reach you at the correct spot. First, go ahead and open up your preferred web browser and navigate to Wayfair's homepage, which is wayfair.com. Once you're there, you'll find a plethora of furniture, decor, and more. But let's stay focused on the task at hand. Next, you're going to want to head over to the upper right corner of the screen. Here you'll find the My Account option, a crucial link to accessing your personal settings and order information. Click on My Account. This will bring up a menu where you can see various options related to your orders and account settings. Now look for the section labeled My Addresses. There should be a small arrow or drop-down option adjacent to it. Click on that arrow to proceed. This action will reveal all the addresses currently associated with your Wayfair account. Now, if you need to add a new address, you'll see an option that says Add New Address. Click on this and a form will appear where you can input your new details. Here's a quick tip. Ensure all fields are accurately filled in. Double check the street name, apartment number, city, state, and zip code. A small error here could lead to your package being misplaced, so accuracy is key. Once you've carefully entered all the necessary details for your new address, you're going to want to save these changes. Look for the Save button, typically found at the bottom of the form, and click it. This crucial step stores your new address in Wayfair's system, so take a moment to ensure everything looks correct before proceeding. And just like that, your new delivery address is updated. You've successfully added a new location where Wayfair can send your cherished orders. Remember, this doesn't change the address on any orders already processed, so if you need to update an order already in the pipeline, be sure to contact Wayfair customer service for assistance. With these steps, you're well equipped to manage your delivery addresses on Wayfair confidently. Keep this guide handy for any future updates you might need to make. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful